Hi, I'm Mike Gleason with Bill Caldwell Ford in Hudson, Iowa. And today I'd like to talk to you about Active Park Assist. This is a new 2020 Ford Explorer Platinum, and it has this feature. Now, this feature is not a new feature to Ford. It's just been enhanced, and it's much easier to use. And today we're going to demonstrate it for you. For Active Park Assist, we're just going to turn the button on, and our turn signal is to the right, and the system is scanning for a spot large enough to park the vehicle in. Okay, now that it's found a spot, it's telling me to shift to neutral, and I'm simply going to press and hold the Active Park Assist button down while the system takes control of everything: steering, braking, and the foot pedal as far as gas is concerned, and it's steering me right into the vehicle, right into the parking spot. And it's going to adjust itself and pull us up a little bit further forward, and it's stopped and it's finished. Now the system does even place the vehicle into park. It's just as simple as that. Shift the car into neutral, and once again press and hold our park out button out here. The system's going to back us up a little bit and simply going to move us forward, and it's telling me to shift and take control. So it's simple as that. Very neat, easy feature to use, very handy for those situations when you're trying to park in a very tight parking spot.